All right. So, guys, welcome to Eazy-Tech Solution. My name is Mindcare. So, in this video today, I will show you around our recent projects. Actually, it's an internet banking website. So, I will be reviewing all the features and all the functionalities and how this particular website work to you guys. So, this is a very advanced banking website, so it's very advanced. So I will be taking my time to explain everything in details so that you're able to understand how this particular platform work. So if you need it, you can always contact me on the numbers showing on your screen. Okay, and if today is your first time of coming across our videos, please do well to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button so that you will get updates whenever we drop awesome video like this. Thank you very much. Okay, so as you can see right here on your screen, this is the website. So the website has an extra layer of security, so before anyone will be able to access even the dashboard, sorry, with the front end of the website, user will have to verify that he or she is not a robot. Okay, so let's go ahead and verify that now. Okay, all right, so this is the home page of the website. This is the front page of the website. So as you can see, the page is looking so beautiful. So I assure you, this particular project, this particular platform have everything that you ever need in an online banking website. So this is how the front end looks. Okay, so I will show you the various features. So because this particular bank, it has two dashboard, the user dashboard and then the admin dashboard also. So I will be showing you how you can manage the user dashboard from the admin dashboard. Okay, so we have the home page, about us, we have product, accounts, loans and everything. Because this particular platform, it has loan functionality also. So a user can request for loan from this platform. Okay, then we have the contact us. All right, then we have the um access account. So this is where a user will click when he or she want to log in the account. Okay, so this is the account sign in session. So as you can see, access the quick finance online banking panel using your account number and password. So before we log in, so I will have to show you how to create an account on this platform also. So to create account, the user have to click on this particular section where that says enroll for online banking. Okay, let me open a new tab. Okay, so you said enroll a new account. Before you continue, kindly read and accept our terms and conditions. So this is the terms and condition. So let's see, accept. Okay, so this is where the user will fill his or her information. So once the user fill this particular information here, the admin of the website will have to approve this account before the user will be able to log in. Okay, this particular website has email alert. So whenever a user creates an account, so an email notification will be sent to the registered email. Okay, so but for the purpose of this training, I've already created an account, so I need to show you guys how the user dashboard look. Okay, so this you can actually set up a 2FA security on this particular platform too, but I 2FA is currently not enabled in this particular account, so you can enable or disable 2FA in each account, in various accounts. Okay, so individually, so I disable 2FA in this particular one now. So let's click on continue. Okay, awesome. So as you can see right now, this is the user dashboard. So as you can see, the user dashboard is looking well organized and well packaged. So this is how the user dashboard looks. So there are various activities which a user can perform in this particular session. Okay, so as you can see right now, this particular account is having 286,500 USD. Okay, so this is the current balance of this account. All right, so as you can see right now, we are using dark screen. Okay, so you can actually change the disable the dark mode. So let's disable it now so that you see. So okay, so if this on what the user prefer, so he or she can disable the dark mode. So let's go back to the dark mode. Okay, so as you can see, this is how awesome the user dashboard look. So we have accounts, we have the dashboard, we have the my account, we have the account summary, we have the send money, we have the cross-border transfer, we have the deposit check, we have the pay bills, we have the virtual card, then we have cryptocurrency. So a user can make deposit to his or her account using crypto. Okay, so the admin will put the wallet address. So the admin will have to provide the wallet address from the admin dashboard of this website. So I will show you how to do that once we head over to the admin section of this particular platform. Okay, then we have the KYC. So the admin can request that particular user complete his or her KYC verification before transaction can be done. Okay, then we have the okay, so we've talked about this place. We have the loan, okay, loans slash credit financing. So as I said earlier, this platform has loan feature. It has loan feature. Then we have the account settings. Then we have support. So user will be able to reach out to the admin from this particular session, this support session. Okay, so this is the various menu which the user will be able to work with once he creates an account or once the account has been approved. Okay, so I will take my time to explain those various menus to you. So we have this particular section now, we say transfer. So this is where user will click when he or she want to transfer money. So let's say want to transfer, let's complete one transfer. See, let's say $5,000. So continue to next step. Okay, so the user will have to provide bank name. So let me just select this bank, then the account number. So let's say this is the account number, the account holder, that's the name. Okay, so the description of the payment is actually optional. So continue to next step. Okay, so this is actually a preview. Say kindly review your transaction before proceeding. Okay, we'll say continue transaction. Okay, process the transaction. You are about to send $5,000 to James Dean. Okay, so the transaction is currently being processed. All right. So it said before you proceed, the IMF code is required to enable you to continue with the transaction. Please contact any of our nearest branches or our online customer care representative with, okay, they will help you with the appropriate IMF code for the transaction. All right. So before this particular user will complete any transaction in any transfer from this particular account, he or she needs to provide the IMF code. Okay, so this IMF code can actually be disabled, so you can disable it from the admin dashboard. Okay, so you can disable it from the admin dashboard if you don't want um the transfer process to request for IMF code. So, and then another thing is that all the activities, everything that is going on this particular account, so details of it will actually be sent to your email. That is a registered email. So let's say, okay, this particular one going to spam now. Okay, so this is it. You say, dear David. So this is the name that I used to register that particular account. It say kindly contact your account officer for details on how to acquire your IMF code. Okay, thank you for banking with us. So they are actually telling you now to contact your account officer so that you're able to get your IMF code. So to do that now, for us to get the IMF code to complete our transaction, so we'll head over to the admin section of this particular website. Okay, so this is the admin session. I've already logged in. So this is the admin session. Then for us to complete that transaction now, for us to provide the IMF code, this is the particular account that is trying to make transfer. Okay, so I will come over here like this. I will click on this session, then I will click on view details. Okay, so then I will click on this particular session here. So once I click on that particular session, I will click on banking details. All right. So as you can see here, this is the IMF code. So I will copy it from here. I will copy. Then I will come over here now. Okay. So I will come over here and I will paste. Okay. Save valid IMF code supplied. So I will click on OK. All right. So as you can see, we provided the right IMF code and he accepted it. Now he's requesting for COT code. Okay, so the COT code will get it from the admin dashboard. Also, the way we got the IMF code. So this particular information you are seeing here, you can actually change it. So I will show you how to change it from the admin dashboard. So you can change the kind of write up you want the user to see when they are making transfer. Okay, so let's go over to the admin dashboard and copy the COT code. So this is the COT code. I'll copy, then I'll come here and paste. Okay. Okay, valid COT code supplied. Your transaction will be continue redirecting. I'll say okay. Okay, so now they are requesting for COT code. Is it complete your OTP code? Complete your transaction. Please enter the 6-digit OTP code sent to the email address or phone number that is associated with your account. Okay, so now this particular OTP code, for us to get it, we'll go over to the registered email address. So click on inbox. Okay, so as you can see, the OTP code is here already, so I will click on it. Okay, so this is the OTP code 100094. Okay, so I will come over here and put it 100094. So I will click on verify OTP. So as you can see, OTP expire in 9 minutes. Okay, 9 minutes and 4 seconds. So the time frame is very long. So you have enough time for you to go over to your email and copy the OTP. Okay, so it said transaction successful. You have successfully transferred 5,000 USD to James. The detail of your transaction are shown below. Okay, so this is it. We have successfully completed the transfer process. So that's how to transfer from this particular platform. So let's go over to the email now. You will see that okay, they have provided us with the receipt also. So this is how the user will be getting notification of the transaction. So he said, dear David, and he said your account have been debited 5,000 USD. So this is the details. Okay, so that's how to make this make use of this particular transfer. Okay, there's actually two type of transfer. This is a cross-border transfer. So you make use of this one when you are trying to transfer money from one country to another. So it's actually the same process. All you need to do is that you have to add um a recipient. Okay, so you have to add a recipient. So once you add a recipient, so you come over here and then select the recipient. Then you also put the delivery date. Okay, then you put the amount, then the description. So it's the same thing with the normal transfer we did. So the only difference is that you have to first of all add recipients. Okay, that is a recipient and then banking information. It's a country, so you have to select the particular country you want to transfer to, then the state, select the state, city, postal code, then the email address or the person you want to transfer to, their phone number. Then we have the recipient full name. Then we have the um okay, transfer type, then international transfer, then IBAN number, then the SWIFT code and the rest. Okay, so let me just make use of this particular recipient that I've created before. I've created this recipient before, so I'll select this. Then I'll just put date. Let's say I want it to appear tomorrow, 10 of 14 202. Okay, so I'll just put something like this. Then I'll type the amount. Let's say 10,000. Okay, 10,000 USD. Then the description, you can say business, anything you like, or you can just let me just put business. Okay, then I'll click on continue. Okay, review recipient details. So you have to review the information. Say kindly note this international transfer cannot be cancelled as mentioned in our terms and conditions. By continuing this transfer, you acknowledge that okay, blah blah blah. Then I'll click on continue. Okay, so it's requesting for IMF code again. So we have to go over to the admin dashboard and copy. So you can actually change this IMF code. Okay, so you can change it. So maybe after making use of it in one particular transaction, so you can come over here and change. So once you change, you click on update bank details. Okay, so you can change it. So let me paste. Okay, valid IMF code supplied. Click OK. So the next one that the next code it will be requested for now is the COT code. Okay, so the COT code. Then I'll copy the COT code here also. Copy the COT code. Okay. Processing valid COT code supplied. I'll click on OK. All right, so now the OTP. So we head over to our registered email address. Then this is the OTP 487986. 487986. Okay, let me confirm it. 487986. Okay, click verify OTP. So that's it. That's it. We have successfully made use of the cross-border transfer. Okay, so let's go to the email now again. You see that the detail will be updated here also. So this is the detail your accounts have been debited. Okay, so that's it. So mind you, as you can see, the amount here is reducing. So because we are debiting the account, so that's why you see that once we make any transfer out of the account, the money will be minus. Okay, will be minus from the available balance. Okay, and then another thing, which other? Okay, we have crypto deposit also. So let's make use of the crypto deposit. Let's say we want to deposit money through crypto, keep crypto. So you can select from the available crypto deposit method, which have been created by the admin. So okay, let's go to the admin dashboard. Okay, let me cancel this particular session. So this is the crypto session. So we are in the admin dashboard now. So let's say manage crypto management. So this is where you're able to create and add your wallet as the admin of the website. So this is where you're able to add your wallet to this particular session. So any particular payment that you don't need, so you can disable it. Disable, so you can disable it. You can disable particular crypto that has been added to this particular bank already. All right. So, but if you want to make you, let's say for example, now I want to change this which one? Okay, let's say this particular Bitcoin cash now. You want to change the wallet, so all you need to do is to click on. Okay, sorry, you just click on or update wallet. So you just change the wallet, so you update, then that's it. Okay, so for us to manage crypto, if you want to like approve any crypto deposit that has been made by a particular user, so this is where you make use of it. Okay, so that's it. So it's like the admin dashboard and the user dashboard are kind of confusing. So I want to make this to be light. I want to disable the dark mode so that the admin dashboard will leave that one in dark mode, so that we'll be able to differentiate the two. Okay, so this is the user dashboard. I change it to white. Okay, let's say for example now I want to make payment through crypto. So let's go to the admin dashboard. So this is through Bitcoin. So you can update Bitcoin wallet here. So you can update it. So let's make payment now. Let's see. We have selected Bitcoin. So I'll come here. I want to send them, let's say 10,000. Okay, $10,000. Okay, click continue. Okay, so it said confirm deposit. So Bitcoin 10,000 USD. So this is the QR code. Then this is the wallet address. Then it says sender wallet address optional. So let's see confirm transaction. Okay, so say the crypto deposits of BTC 0.37407403 on your finance checking accounts has been received. you will receive an automatic notification on your transaction. Okay, once your transaction was confirmed on the blockchain network, this usually take up to, okay, so that's it. So for this particular transaction to reflect in the user account right now, so the admin will have to approve the the deposit, the crypto deposit. So okay, let's check this particular balance now. As you can see, we're having 271,500. So let's head over to the admin dashboard now and approve the transaction. So once we approve the transaction from the admin dashboard, we'll come over here and refresh. Okay, so come over here and refresh. Let's see. Okay, let's refresh this particular admin dashboard. You are seeing pending deposit is showing 0. So let's refresh this page now. We'll refresh the page. Okay, so you see now pending deposit is showing 1. So let's click on it. Okay, so Bitcoin. So this is the amount in Bitcoin. So you can actually reject deposit, or you can approve deposit. So let's approve this deposit now. See, approve this deposit. You are about to approve BTC 0. Blah, 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 deposit made by David. Then say approve. Okay, deposit approve. We'll say okay. So you get email notification also. You get email notification once your Bitcoin deposit or crypto deposit is approved. So let's sorry. Okay, so let's refresh now. No, I said we should take note of the available balance, which is 271,500. So let's refresh now. Okay, so the 10,000 USD have been added to automatically. Available balance is showing 281 500. Okay, so that's it. So let's go to the email now. Let's check. Okay, you see your deposit of BTC network, this deposit. So that's, they have also notified us through the email. So all the activities, everything that is going on in a particular user account will be sent to his or her email address. Okay, so another thing is that, all right, we have the loan. Okay, let's check this out. We have the loan, so a user can actually request for loan. Let's see, we are requesting for loan of 20,000. Requesting for loan of 20,000. Credit facility, let's see, personal home loan. Payment tenure, let's say 12 months. Then purpose, you can see personal. Okay, so you can put anything there. So the purpose of you requesting for the loan. So you are requesting for a instant loan. By continuing, you have agreed and accept the quick online finance digital loan terms and condition. All right, so these are the terms and condition. Interest rate 4.3%, management fee 3%, credit life insurance fee 0.8%, panel charge 0.5%. So those are the terms and condition. So I'll click on continue. Okay, so you see review loan request details. Okay, so this is 12 months, 20,000. So review everything. Say kindly note you are expected to pay the sum of 2,648 648.33 cents USD on monthly basis. Okay, so this is the amount you are requested to pay for the next 12 months. Failure to comply with our, so that's it. Then we'll click on request loan. Okay, so we have requested for loan of 20,000. Your request have been submitted. So as you can see here, the loan application alert. So we also get email notification about that. So they will notify us in our email also. Then okay, so let's go over to the admin dashboard now and approve the loan. Okay, so let's come over here. So let me just refresh now because loan request is supposed to be showing one, but it's showing zero now. So let's come here. Okay, see it's showing one. Click on it. So the loan request is currently pending. Okay, so to approve loan now, you just need to click on this particular section. Okay, loan approve remark. Okay, so I'll click on, you can write anything, you can actually write anything here. Then I'll click on approve. Okay, loan has been approved successfully. So let's go over to the account right now. Let's go over, let's click on dashboard. Okay, so that's that. So as you can see, these are our recent transaction activity. So all the transactions that is going on this particular account, you can see it, everything is being recorded. Okay, so everything is being recorded, so you can view transaction, you can view details of any transaction. So all the transaction history is being recorded. So another thing is that user can actually change their password, so they can reset their password. You can easily reset particular user password, or a user can reset his or her password. So the admin can reset user password, or the user can request his or her password by itself. So all you need to do is to put the current password, then confirm the password, and reset. Okay, so that's it. That's for that. Then we have the um which other one again? Okay, deposit check. Deposit check. So a user can actually deposit check. Can actually deposit check in his or her account. Say deposit a check. Check deposit tip. Choose account to deposit the check. The check choose the account to deposit the check and the check amount. Ensure the check has been properly endorsed and that it is flat on a dark well light surface. Then snap pictures of both the front and back of the check, keeping it in the correct parameters. Don't forget to endorse and write for mobile deposit only on the back. So this is just the instruction that you need to follow for you to be able to deposit check. Okay, so let's say we are depositing check of okay, let's say 20,000, check of 20,000 to say the front of the check, then back of the check. So let's do something like this. Let's upload something. Okay, let me choose this as the front, then the same image as the back. Okay, so I'll click on submit check. Okay, so he said your check is being processed. So check has been submitted successfully. Total amount 20,000 USD. This is the reference number, the free $2. That's for the fee. Okay, so we'll click on done. So the admin will have to approve this particular check now. So we'll go over to the admin dashboard. So from the admin dashboard, you click on check deposit. Okay, click on check deposit. So this is the check. This is a check of 20 thousand USD. You can actually view details. So let's view details. Okay, so view details. So this is the details of the check. Okay, so it's currently pending. You can actually click completed here, or can just do something like this, or you can just click here to approve transaction. So I'll click here now to approve. Okay, say 20 USD amount. We have the account holder, check number, the amount. Then we'll click on approve. Okay, check deposit has been approved successfully. Transaction detail has been updated. All right, so let's come over here now and then let's refresh. Okay, so as you can see, the available balance have been updated. All right, so the available balance have been updated, and you can see over here the history. You can see we have the transaction details here also. So we have the transaction details also. Okay, so we have the various transaction details. Okay, so in this particular session now, I want to show you guys how to change those write up in case a user is try to make transfer. So you can change those information. You can change it from here. This particular general settings. Okay, general settings. So this particular section contain all the information of the website. So you said descriptions, short description of your website, so you can actually change those information here. Site address, you can change your site address. You have a COT code message also in case the website is requested for COT code. So this is the type of information that the user will see. So you can change this. You can change the type of information, the type of write up you want the user to see, the IMF code message. So you can change this one here also. Then the IMF error message, you can also change it here. Then we have the COT error message. You can change it here. Suspended user. Okay. So suspended user error message, you can change the message here also. User with suspended font error message. So this suspended user error message, so you can actually suspend a particular user account. So whenever he or she want to log in, so this is the type of information the user will see on his or her screen. Okay, so I will actually suspend this particular account so that we'll see how the suspension error message will pop up. Okay, then we have enable or disable VAT code, so you can actually disable even the COT code. You can disable those particular code. You say enable disable KYC. So this is where you make some kind of changes to how you want your user to interact with your website. Okay, so what I need to do right now is that I will have to suspend the account. Okay, so I will suspend this particular user account. Then we'll try to log in to see how the suspension error message will pop up. So to suspend user account, we'll click on let's click on this particular session. We'll click here, then we'll click on this particular session, this suspend user. So but before we do that, let's log out from this account now. Let's log out. Okay, so we have successfully logged out of the user account. So let's put our let's verify before we were able to access the site again, because each time a user log out of his or her account, you have to verify that he or she is not a robot. So to verify, 657464. Okay, so let's suspend the account now. Let's suspend the user account. So we'll come over here and click here. We'll click suspend. Say suspend user account. You're about to suspend um David blah 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 from this system. The user will be restricted from accessing his or her account if you proceed with this action. So say suspend. Okay, so the user account has been suspended. So let's try and log in the account now. So we'll try and log in the account. Click on access account. Okay, access account. So this is the account number and then the password. So I will click on continue. Okay, so this is what the user will see. So if he or she want to access his account once it's suspended, see account suspended. Dear customer, we have discovered suspicious activities on your account. An unauthorized IP address attempt to carry out a transaction on your account and credit card. Consequently, your account has been flagged by our risk assessment department. Kindly visit our nearest branch with your identification card and utility bill to confirm your identity before it can be reactivated. For more information, kindly contact. So you can actually change this particular write up here. So you can change it. So that was what I was showing to you guys. So let me just go back here again. So click on general settings. Okay, so from general settings you locate suspend user account message. So this is it. Okay, so this is it. You can actually change it. So once you make changes here, you scroll down and click on update. All right, so you click on update. So that's it. And okay, which other thing I would like to show to you guys? So we have visual card also. So a user can request for visual card from his or her account. Okay, then we'll approve. On the admin, we have to approve the visual card before it will reflect in the user account. Okay, let's go back and approve this. The account is suspended, so I'll click on. Okay, I'll click on unblock accounts. Then I'll click on unblock. Okay, so now we can log in. Can log in now. So I'll click on continue. Okay, say successful. So we are successful login now since we have unblocked the account. Okay, so I think I've requested for card on this particular account. So visual card. So click on visual card. Okay, so let's request for a new visual card. You can actually manage existing visual card because I've already requested for a visual card on this account. That's why you are seeing manage existing visual card. Why on the at the top here say request for a new visual card. Then I'll click on let me click on manage existing. Okay, so this is how the visual card looks. So we have MasterCard, then the card number, CCV name, and so on. So let's request for a new card now. So click on visual card. Okay, so I'll click request for a new visual card. Okay, so this is it. It's a address, then security question, say pet name. What's your pet name? Sorry, what's your nickname? So let me use pet name. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that's it. The email address, phone number. Let's see. So you can actually put any phone number. Then you select the type of card. If it's Visa, the Masters, and the Discovery. So our the card I showed to you guys earlier, that one is Mastercard. So let me choose Visual. Then you click here, click here. So these are the features and benefits of financial visual card. So those are them. You click on apply. Okay, successful. You have successfully applied for financial visual visa. You will be notified once your card request is approved. Okay, so let's go over to the admin dashboard now and approve the card. So let's go to visual card. Okay, so this is our card request. So it's currently pending. So to approve, I just have to click on this session and click on. Okay, you see, approve virtual card request. You are about to approve virtual card request made by, okay, account name. Then I'll click on approve. Okay, successful card activated. So you actually get email notification about that once your card is approved also. So let's just go over here and click on home. So it's a virtual card activated. Congratulations, your virtual card application have been approved. Your card is now ready for you to shop with your favorite website and enjoy seamless online. So that's it. So let's so as you can see now, we're having two available cards. So we're having one before, now we're now having two. Okay, so all right, so in this session of the video, we'll talk about how to fund a particular user account. So we have talked about how to fund a user account using crypto, which is BTC. Then we've also talked about how to fund a user account using check. Yeah, we talk about check. So now I want to talk about maybe if you want to fund a user account direct from the admin dashboard without the user taking any action. So that's what we're going to do right now. So to do that, you go over to the admin section of the website. So take note of the available balance now. So you go over to the admin section of the website, then we'll locate fund a user account. So we'll click on it. Okay, so once you click on fund a user account, the list of the available accounts on this particular website, it will all show up here. Okay, so we are currently having two accounts, so that is why you are seeing that is the two account that is showing up here. So you have to select fund user. So since we are want to credit this particular account, so we'll click on fund user over here at the side of the account that you want to fund. So click on it. Okay, so you type the amount you want to fund. Let's say we want to fund this account with let's say 500,000 USD. Then you see transfer scope. Okay, so you have to select if it's local transfer, check deposit, international transfer. Okay, so you have to specify the, let's see, where the transfer is coming from. So that's just the purpose of this particular transfer scope. So I'll just select international transfer. Description, I will say let's say investment profit. All right, so the description, you put the description here, very important, because the description will show in the history of this particular transaction. So frequency, you can select any frequency that you want, so you can leave it at 1. So say send email notification, so you have to decide if you want this deposit to send email notification or not. So if you select no, which means the user will not be alert, so the user will not get alert about this transaction that is about this deposit. But if you select yes, so the user will be notified in his or her email address. So I'll click on continue. Okay, so see review transaction, you are about to send 500,000 USD to the, so this is just the review of the transaction. I'll click on confirm transaction. All right, so that's it. So let's go over to the user account right now. So go over to the user account. So before we refresh, let's check the email. Let's check the mail and see if the user actually receive a notification. Okay, so this is it. This is here. You see credit alert notification, 500,000 USD. So if we had select no, so definitely the user will not receive any notification in his or her email. So this platform is very advanced with awesome features. Okay, so this is it. This is the transaction email alert. So let's go over to the account now. So let's refresh. Now. We should be having around 800,000 plus. So if we refresh this account, so we'll refresh. Okay, so as you can see, the available balance have been updated. So that's how to credit a user account without the user taking any action. That's it, guys. I think I've taken my time to explain majority of the important stuff that you guys need to know. So another thing is that you can, okay, let me just show you guys the support ticket. So let me just show you guys the support ticket. So I think this is the last session I'll need to explain. So a user can actually message the admin from his account, and the admin will also respond to the user account. So which means you communication can easily go on from this particular platform with ease. Okay, let's say for example a user is having issue with his account. So all you need to do is to click on this particular section that says support. You see customer care desk. Our customer care representative are always committed, blah blah. Okay, so that's it. So let's see, create a support ticket. Say please select customer service department. So select, let's see, we're having issue with our bank on deposit. So we want to contact the bank deposit department. So we'll select it. You see, okay, let's just put anything, let's just type anything here. Okay, so let's say this particular user is currently having issue deposit money into his account. So we want to contact the support department. So after typing your problem here, the issue you are currently facing, then you click on submit. Okay, so we have successfully sent okay, you see support tickets have been created. We would like to, okay, so that's it, support tickets have been created. So let's go over to the admin and respond. So let's refresh this page now. So let's refresh this page. Okay, so this is it. This is the particular message that we sent. So this is it now. We'll click on view. So the admin will have to respond. So you say for the admin to respond now, to respond through this particular session. So let's see. Oh, service card, bank deposit. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it here. So we'll click on okay, let me just say we okay, so let's do something like this. Then I'll click here. Your reply has been sent. So let's go to the user dashboard now. So let's refresh. Let's refresh. Okay, then let's click on okay, bank deposit department view. Okay, so this is the admin response. So the user and the admin can actually communicate with ease. So as you can see, it's a very advanced platform. It has practically everything that you ever need in an online banking system. All right, so in case you need this particular project, in case you need something like this, in whichever way you want to make use of it, you can always contact us with the number showing on your screen. You can contact us via WhatsApp. Okay, send us a message. We'll be glad to assist you. So if you have watched this video this far, thank you very much. Please, if today is your first time of coming across our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you're able to get notification whenever we upload awesome video like this. Thank you very much and God bless you.